What's up, y'all? I hope the sound quality is better on this. I removed the phone case that was on my phone when I kept trying to record it earlier. Every time I switched hands, kind of like that, it would sound like a tree was falling on the house due to the fact that it was in a completely enclosed case and sounded like ass. So I decided to replace the phone case. Hopefully that's better. If it's not, then not my problem anyway. So onto the Zippo. This is the Zippo that I got that replaced my original armor, high polished chrome armor that I had purchased back in the summer, or was given to me as a gift. Sorry, not purchased. I think it was a gift. I can't remember. I actually can't remember now whether it was a gift or I bought it myself. Anyway, you can check in the video and find out for yourself if you really want to know that freaking much. But whatever. This is the Zippo. As you can tell, I'm tired. It's late. I've been recording like 12 takes, and now the camera quality wants it to be total ass. So whatever. This is the Zippo. It's made in I of 13. It is an oopsie Zippo, which is always nice. I always like oopsie Zippos, and it's also before they completely switched the way the armors looked, moving the logo over here due to the fact that they made the 85th anniversary armor. I'm pretty sure that's the reason why they changed it, due to the fact that there was so much that they wanted to write on here that they just needed to move this out of the way. That'd be my guess. And also because back in 2012 they decided to switch the inserts to having red felt on the bottom instead of black letters on the felt, and it could have been something like that. They just, every 5 years, they want to change something, make it a little bit different, which is, always nice. So that's basically about it. I, received this in the mail, sent it in. 2-3 weeks later, they sent me a replacement. I did ask for a pipe insert. I did get one. I don't have it in there right now because I kind of want to keep this pipe insert that I have that came with it really nice. I don't really want to use it that much due to the fact that it's the only one I have. If any of these break or anything and I have to send in another one, I'm going to be asking for more due to the fact that I like the way they look. They're really nice pipe inserts. I like the way they designed them. I'm just not going to use it because I only have one and I don't want to lose it, break it, and then I have to send it in and go through the whole process again. But anyway, that's about it for this video. A very short video. I don't really know when I'll be uploading again. I will probably be uploading at least 2 or 3 more videos while I'm here. I'm not going to be here for a while longer due to the fact that we're moving. And once I'm back, I don't really know when my next videos will be or what they will be about. But I should have a few more videos coming out after this, and then after that I really don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you want, ask any questions, and I'll see y'all later.